Finding cheap flights doesn't have to be a game of chance. With the right strategy, you can save hundreds on your next trip. Whether you're planning a last-minute getaway or a dream vacation, these tips will make booking flights affordable every time. Start with flexible dates. The price of flights varies depending on the day of the week, time of year, and demand. Midweek flights, especially Tuesdays and Wednesdays, are often cheaper than weekend departures. Use fare comparison tools like Google Flights or Skyscanner to view a calendar of prices and pinpoint the cheapest dates to fly. Next, keep your destinations flexible. Instead of locking yourself into one location, search for flights to multiple airports within your region of interest. Tools like Skyscanner's Everywhere feature show you the lowest prices for destinations worldwide. Always search for flights in incognito or private browsing mode. Airlines use cookies to track your searches and may raise prices based on repeated interest in a specific route. Clearing your browser's cache or switching devices can help you avoid artificially inflated prices. Set fare alerts. Apps like Hopper and Airfare Watchdog notify you when prices drop for your preferred destinations. These alerts help you jump on deals before they disappear. Consider booking connecting flights. Non-stop flights are convenient but often more expensive. Checking for routes with layovers can lead to significant savings, especially for international travel. Just ensure there's enough time between connections to avoid stress. Finally, book tickets directly through airline websites when possible. Third-party sites can offer deals, but direct bookings often come with better customer support, the option to add extras, and fewer restrictions if you need to make changes. Saving on flights is all about flexibility, timing, and staying informed. Use these tips to unlock affordable travel opportunities, and you'll never overpay for flights again. With a bit of planning, the world is just a ticket away.